In this video, I'll show you how to apply your taxes using Wealthsimple Tax and TurboTax, two of the most popular tax filing platforms in the US and Canada. Both are easy to use, but they work a little differently. With Wealthsimple Tax, it's completely free to file federal and state returns in the US, and it's great for simple or standard returns. Just sign up, answer a few questions, upload your documents, and let the app guide you through. TurboTax offers more support for complex returns and gives step-by-step guidance. It has a free version too, but advanced features cost extra. Both platforms let you e-file directly and track your refund. If you're looking for a fast, no-cost option, Wealthsimple is perfect. If you want more hand-holding and advanced help, go with TurboTax. Try either one this tax season and see which fits your needs best. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more finance tips and tax guides.